Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX that we got in. This color combo really came together well. Probably one of the prettiest boats I've seen here. Light blue on white, matching white Mercury 300 horsepower Verado, and even the gray on that engine ties into the gray sea deck and the stone interior. Let's jump up on the side and I'll show you through the rest of this boat. So here we are on board the 270. Starting at the stern, you can see we have a nice big sun patio to lay out. Plenty of cup holders and even a USB charging system there on the side. Ski pylon, standard, mounted in the back here for all of your water sports activities. A nice walkthrough with a freshwater washdown even. Coming on board, plenty of seating here, and this is a yacht rated capacity boat. So plenty of room for all your friends and family. Nice convertible seating. Both the helm and the port side seats are easily flip forward to give you rear facing or forward facing. This boat comes with full digital dash, so you have a SIMRAD display, all touchscreen. Gives you your engine management data as well as chart plotter and bottom finder. Fusion radio installed, and this one even comes with a power windlass with your controls right here at the helm, as well as secondary controls up underneath the door that covers the road as well as the motor. Big seating up front, two big sun loungers with armrests that fold down, and finally the port side here. Nice size head, plenty of room, even a freshwater sink in there. If you guys have any extra questions on this boat, please feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. My information is listed right there below. Thanks.